Today I'm going to talk about words. Tense, future tense, simple future tense. We usually use a simple future tense to talk about things that are going to happen next, actions that will happen next moment, and future plans. That is where we use, and we use auxiliary verb will to talk about something, and with the base form of verb we usually take to use. Like I will go to market tomorrow. That is how we say. That is how we use. And when we also use going to when we have certain things, certain plans, that time we usually use going to. And here will and going to how to which one to choose according to the situation. And sometimes the events occur at the right moment. That time we should choose will. When we have plans, when we have already have some plans with us, that time we should use going to. Let me let me explain this while doing. uh, First one, can I borrow your car? Here, why do you need my car? This person wanted to meet their relatives on Saturday, in Chicago on Saturday, and his car has got broken. So he need his friend's help. He wanted his friend to give his car to that person. So here we should choose. I'm going to visit my relatives in Chicago on Saturday. He already had planned to visit their relatives. So that's why he wanted his friend's car. So we have to choose going to. Next one, we don't have any milk, and other person also know that there is no milk. So here we have to choose going to buy some. I have already taken some money from your wallet. So when we know things, so that time we should use going to. Next one, we don't have any milk. All of a sudden they came to know, at the right moment they came to know that there was no milk. So here we should use I will buy some later. Next one, it's so hot in here. So at the right moment they started getting warm. So that person need himself to get cool. So other person was telling, I will turn on AC, air conditioning. So at the right moment it happened at the situation at the right time. So we use will. Next one, what are your plans? Already this person know about other person plans. So we use going to. We are going to have a picnic in the park. Do you want to join us? Also asking that person whether that person is going to go with them. And next one, oh no, someone has broken my cup. Don't worry, I will get a new one at the right time when the person going to have something from that cup and it's got broken. At that time, he found that his cup got broken, and other person was telling, I will get new one for you." Next one, where are you going? Where are you going? To my friend's house. Take an umbrella with you. It's going to rain soon. That person know about the climate, weather, what will be happening. So he's sure about it's going to rain. So we should choose going to. Next one, why did you buy these paints? This person already had planned to change his room color. So here I'm going to change the color of the walls in my room. Here we have to choose going to. Next one, I can't find my purse. At the right moment, that person came to know that by his purse got misplaced and started searching, and other person also telling that person to help to look for their purse. So that is the reason we choose to use will. So I will help you look for it. That person also going to search where the purse has misplaced. So he will also help us finding the person's his friend's purse. Next one, did you remember to book a table in a restaurant? At the right moment, he is reminding his friend whether that person has booked a table or what. So we have to use will. I forgot, I will do it in a minute. So at the right moment, she remembered about that thing. So she will do it in a minute. And next one, I need a camera because mine was stolen. Can you come to the shop with me? Sure, I will come. So that person's camera was stolen by someone else, and that person needed other person's help to go with that person to get new one, new camera for for using. So he's asking help to their friend to go with them to buy new one, new camera. Next one, do you have any plans for tonight? Yes, this person also know about the plan, and he already had plan to prepare for their exams. So I'm going to prepare for my exams. I already know that the person has to study for giving exams and all. So when we know things, when we certain about things, plans, that time, that actions that we use, so they are planned. That time we choose to use going to. Next one. This plate is dirty. This plate is dirty. Just a second. I will clean it. At the right moment, they came to know about their plate got dirty. So they will choose to use. We have to choose to use. We'll clean it. That person was telling, I will clean it. So when we know the things at the right moment, so we take will to use to complete the whole sentence. Next one, have you decided what to do next? The person asking what are the plans that you have, what do you choose to do. This person also already had plan. So this person, yes, I'm going to move to Los Angeles at the end of the month. I already know that what he should do, where to go and all. So we have to choose. I'm going to move to the LA, Los Angeles. And next one, why are you taking your laptop? This person also had plan to answer those emails on the train. So he is taking laptop with him. So if that person is asking why you are taking laptop, he had a plan to answer those emails on train. So when we are traveling, we just simply sit on time on the bus or train. So we had planned to answer those emails instead of simply sitting and wasting time. So I had planned. So that's why we choose to use. I'm going to answer some emails on the train. Yeah, these are all we'll and going to. I hope you understand these examples and exercise. When we have plans, that time we should take to use going to that this sentence we should use, and when the things comes at occurs at the moment, at the right moment, that time we should use will. And we also use will when the things are when we do prediction and all, that time we should choose to use will. And informal way of communicating, formal way of expressing our like thoughts or events, that time also we choose will. I hope you understand this all. Yeah, thank you.